Hi, I just wanted to do a quick review on the Mielle Coil Sculpting Custard for deep definition. It's supposedly a lightweight, easy to finger comb formula for long-lasting, deep definition and brilliant shine. So I'm parting my hair into sections and I'm making sure that each one of those sections I'm spraying with water and I'm running my Denman brush so I have the most defined curls as I can get. About the formula, it is extremely lightweight and it is easy to finger comb through my hair. I didn't have any problems whatsoever, although it did not clump my curls as well as I thought it would, just because deep definition is everywhere on the bottle and I was expecting my curls to be clumped a little bit more. So when I get to the top parts of my head, I like to define my curls a little bit more. So I go in and I finger coil the curls that I want to just have them really pop out. I also flip them to the side that I want my part on so it dries that way. So before I go in with my diffuser, I like to flip my curls forward. That way my roots aren't stuck to my scalp. And this is what my hair looks like with the product fully throughout. Now that I'm diffusing, I'm making sure that I'm starting with my roots and I'm staying at my roots. I don't like to flip my hair too much and shake my blow dryer throughout my curls because that just causes frizz for me. So I focus on my roots, which takes the longest to dry. Once I think that they're 80% dry, I go in and I do other parts of my hair. So this is me holding hands with my diffuser's hand, and we are joining forces to dry my hair, but also trying to retain the length that I want. Because I lose a lot of length when I wash my hair, obviously. So by doing that, it kind of stretches the curl gently. Just gently, it's nothing crazy. So this is what the hair looks like completely dry, and there is a gel cast to it, but my curls are not defined and there's definitely frizz. And when I see frizz on day one hair, I already know that it's not gonna last throughout the week. There also isn't much shine to my hair as well, and I found that the next day my hair was just frizzy with no cast and no definition. So I won't be repurchasing this product, even though it smells amazing. It just didn't give me the deep definition that I was looking for in the product. Not trying to go too hard though, because it is only one product in my freshly washed hair. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to come back with more curly product reviews. That way we can all find products that work amazing for us. Bye!